So now let us see how to create your own custom motion presets inside of Adobe Animate. So to create a motion preset, first of all, I'm going to take a rectangular shape right over here and then draw it out. So in order to give a motion right here, I'm just going to convert this into a symbol right over here, just like this. I'm going to go over here, convert this into a graphic symbol, and I'm going to press OK. So I'm going to do a simple animation right here. So I'm just going to go around, add in a frame right over here, just like this, around frame 41. All right, so around frame 40. So just like that. Let me just zoom in the timeline right over here to see it clearly. So now I'm going to do an animation right here. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to create a motion tween animation right over here. So right over here, the keyframe has been set. So I'm going to go around to the end right here and then just drag this out right over here. So you can see that there's an animation of the object right over here. So now I'm going to go over here and then resize this out right over here. So I'm going to resize so that the animation is recorded right over here. So you can see that this is an animation right over here. And here I want it to resize again right over here, just like this. So you can see that I got a very simple a squeezing animation right over here. I can also go around here and then change out the animation as per my wish right over here. So I'm just going to go add in right over here, as you can see. So now what I want to do is I want to convert this into a custom motion preset. So for that, the process is quite simple. You have to simply drag across right over here and select all of the frames right over here on the timeline, and then go to your motion presets right over here. And there's this new preset selection, as you can see right here. It says save selection as preset. So simply click on it and you can give a preset name right over here. So I'm going to say custom preset right over here, just like this. I'm going to say custom preset and I'm going to press OK, and you can see that the custom preset has been made. So now I can just simply delete this out right over here. So I can go around here. I can simply erase this out right over here. So I'm just going to go around and delete out all of the frames right over here. So just delete out the frame right over here, remove the frames. There you go. So now I have nothing on my timeline right here. So now I'm going to bring in another shape over here. So let's say, for example, an oval shape. So let me just add in a frame here for that. And I'm going to bring in an oval shape and I'm going to change its fill color over here as well. So something like red. There you go. So what I'm going to do now is apply the motion preset we made. So I'm going to select this. I'm just going to convert this into a symbol. That is a graphic symbol itself, and now I'm going to apply the motion preset. So I have this, and now I can go to the motion preset right here. This is the preset that we made. So simply click on apply and you can see that the motion preset has been applied, just like that. So you can see right over here all of the motion that we actually worked out with for the rectangular box width for this oval box right here. That is because we added in the motion preset. So I can go over here and create another layer over here as well, and then just drag this out over here, and I can apply the motion preset for this one as well. So I'm going to go on to the motion preset, apply it, and it says it's not like a symbol yet. So I'm just going to press OK, and you can see that the motion preset has been applied on both of them, just like that. And that is how you can create your own custom motion presets inside of Adobe Animate. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.